Hey there, Kevin. Heading to 101st Plaza. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
So I'm back on this channel. We're headed to Salesforce Tower right now from the Potrero Hill neighborhood, and pretty excited to see how Waymo does in the financial district, and then later on I'll go to Chinatown and Union Square as well. So far pretty uneventful. It's currently almost 11 a.m. so there's probably not that many cars trying to get on the freeway at this time. And it's too bad we just missed that active fire truck. for some reason. I couldn't see what that was. But we've been doing pretty well with this row of parked cars. It's not super narrow, but we've been hitting 25 consistently on this road. Got a group of tourists waiting for the bus on the right. Doing a protect. Oh, it's a little bit jerky with that pedestrian in the crosswalk. But so far all the brake taps have been like pretty light and brief, which is probably fine. The perception on the light rail back there was pretty good. I think maybe an improvement from about a year ago made some videos in Phoenix. And I think you really do need good light rail for SF, unless you're just not going to drive on any roads where the car lane either runs parallel or even shares a lane with light rail. Nudge for that car on the left, and then we're gonna have to shoot a bit of a, oh, this is not really a gap, slowing to like 15, 14, and then yeah, pretty peppy, back up to 25. So unprotected left here, creeping out. Yeah, this is too easy. I feel like the trajectory on that is still a little bit awkward. I feel like as a human I would go straight instead of going to the right a bit to avoid the oncoming and then turning left. But also there's no one, it looks like a Waymo across the street doing a pickup. Yeah, there's someone getting in. Instead of moving right a bit, even though that's fine, there's no one going straight behind us. It still looks a little bit awkward. We gotta slow for the construction. Didn't really slow down. Truck is, we got the blinker on, truck is a bit in our lane with the oncoming. Oh, okay. Pretty good. I probably would have waited, honestly. You just never know with drivers in San Francisco. But I guess Waymo knows. So it looks like a bit of a traffic stack.
Almost there.
Okay, now
Don't
we're
forget your belongings.
It's a little bit jerky for some reason. I don't really see any reason why it would need to speed up and suddenly slow down. Now we got to get into this alley. So Waymo can actually take us to right under Salesforce Tower, but Transit Center here is a little bit more chill, just because I have a lot of equipment I need to set up and tear down every time. I guess the blinker is on for pullover, maybe? So once the Tesla gets out of the way, I think it's gonna pull over here into the loading zone. Gotta find the exact spot. Okay.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.